reminder, all flights are non-smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes. We'll be starting our beverage service soon. We have water and a choice of 2 snacks, pretzels or plantain chips. Once again, on today's flight, we have water, pretzels, and plantain chips. Please note you're not allowed to consume the alcohol you brought on board with you today.